This video will provide the information you need to complete your UCAS application form. You should review this video in conjunction with the UCAS applications guide which is on your account. Please make sure you review both carefully before starting your UCAS application, as there are several important areas that you need to be aware of prior to registering with UCAS. Key dates. The exact date for each stage of UCAS varies slightly each year, but are always early May. The UCAS hub is available for you to start searching for courses. Mid-May. You'll be able to start to fill in your application form for university courses starting the following year. Early September. Completed applications can be submitted to UCAS. Mid-October. Entry deadline for universities of Oxford and Cambridge, and for most courses in medicine, veterinary medicine and science, and dentistry. This deadline only applies to those who wish to apply to be a doctor, a vet, or a dentist. All of the degrees will have a January submission deadline. Mid-January. Entry deadline for all completed applications to be submitted to UCAS. Universities and colleges do not guarantee to consider applications they receive after this date, and some popular courses may not have vacancies after this date. You must check with individual universities and colleges, and you're advised to apply as early as possible. Late June. The last date for the receipt of all other applications for immediate consideration. Those received after this date will be held for clearing. Early July. Clearing opens. Our policies. Our policies surrounding predicted grades and academic references can be found in Unit 2 of your course. Completing your course. We are unable to provide a predicted grade until you have completed at least 50% of your course. Regular progress and submission of assignments show your commitment and will be noted in any academic reference we provide. Universities and colleges look for commitment to learning as well as grades achieved.